Let's begin. Cat. Dog. Do you know where this animal belongs to?
Excellent!
Hooray!
Complete the rule on the left. Fantastic!
Hooray!
Remember the position of all the images. Drag them back to their right position. Excellent!
Hooray!
Which one is different from the others?
Excellent!
Hooray!
Do you know what dog eats?
Way to go!
Hooray!
Could you point to the thumb? No, it's palm. No, it's middle finger. Thumb. Can you find the right image to finish the chain on the left? Way to go!
Hooray!
Let's practice writing numbers. 4. Four.
Excellent!
Hooray!
Can you recognize what is on the left?
Great job!
Hooray!
Choose the right photo that matches the one above. Do you know which one is taller? Excellent!
Hooray!
What musical instrument is this? Harmonica, drums, flute, saxophone. Flute.
Excellent!
Hooray!
What's in the box?
Great job!
Hooray!
Drag the below pieces to their right position in the shadow. Cat. Way to go!
Hooray!
Which one has the name starting with D? Cat, dinosaur, mole. Dinosaur.
Excellent!
Hooray!
Find the missing piece of the wheel.
Great job!
Hooray!
Do you know which one is faster? Fantastic!
Hooray!
Let's color the white area in the below shape. Heart. Way to go!
Hooray!
Can you find the right shadow of cat? Good job!
Hooray!
Where is the magnifying glass looking? Cat.
Good job!
Hooray!
Awesome job! Here are some new stickers.